Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now if you've been on social media lately, you probably saw the pictures of the new Morphe 39S palette they have just announced. I remember I saw it and I was not going to get it, but then I was kind of inspired to do like a purple look inspired by the colors in that palette using shades that I already have in my collection. So this is like the very dramatic, very avant-garde look that I came up with. I am very glad, very happy about how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts down below about this look. Do you like it? Do you not like it? But if you're interested in finding out how I created this particular look, then of course keep on watching. So we're going to be doing a makeup look that is inspired by the new Morphe 39S palette. I mentioned in last week's Will I Buy It that I am just not really necessarily interested in purchasing it, and my reasoning in that video was because I already have dupes in my collection for that palette, and I'm not gonna like completely dupe that palette in this video. This is not that kind of video. I'm just gonna be creating a makeup look inspired by the colors in that palette. So let's just get into it. So I think that first I want to do a brow bone highlight. I really want to reach into the Lorac Pro 2 palette. This is a palette that I've been trying to get into a little bit more. I've been trying to use this palette, and I especially love using like these light shades as highlighter colors for my brow bone. And that's what I'm going to be doing today with this like white metallic highlight shade. It's like a really brilliant white. I definitely think that in the summer, or like this summer when I'll get like a lot tanner, I don't think I'll be able to wear it as easily, because like even now, I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but it does look super light and bright. But I don't know about you, but sometimes I really do like this like interesting dramatic contrast with makeup. I think I'm going to use these purple colors from the Color Raine Vivid Pigments palette. This is a fantastic palette. I love it so much. I have done so many videos on this palette. I already have a playlist featuring all the videos that I've made with this palette, and that will be in the cards if you're interested in that. But I think I really want to start off by dipping in to I would say maybe like this color, Perp Smurf. This is a really like dramatic violet shade. I absolutely love it. So what I've done so far is I've used two brushes to basically take the purple and extend it out in like this little bit of an eyeshadow shape. I'm not sure how this will turn out. We shall see. I'm just running with it. I do think that right now I want to use some tape, because I do want to make this a very like clean and sharp look. Okay, so now what's going to happen is I'm going to take this brush, I'm going to dip it into this really intense purple color. This is like a bright version of a purple, and I'm going to basically play around with this and see what happens. I'm going to go back in with this brush and pick up this like deep purple color from before, and I'm just going to use it to further intensify the color on the top part of my lash line. I'm also going to clean the brush off on the palm of my hand. I mean, my hand is of course clean. I washed my hands before this video, but I'm going to also pick up this shade right here, and I think I'm going to mix it in with this lighter purple as well. And this is going to go into the lower portion of, into the inner portion of my lower lash line. I then want to take a detail brush, and I think I want to dip it in to, I'm thinking this color right here. Essentially what I'm doing right now is I'm kind of drawing like a triangle in my inner corner, and I'm kind of adding this to the side of my nose as well. I was really getting avant-garde vibes when I was like starting out this look, and I really think that that's starting to come together. So I am using a very small detailed brush to just layer and layer that color into the area of my face. I will say that one of the most frustrating parts of doing this particular technique is trying to get it even. I've literally been sitting here for the last, I think, 15 minutes trying to get this inner portion even, and I think I just now got it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into this brush. Well, dip into the palette with this brush. I can't do this, but I'm just going to use this brush, dip into this color right here, and I'm just going to apply this into the inner crease portion of my eye. And someone's calling me. I'll be right back. That was a very long but very enjoyable phone call. I'm going to continue and use this color right here, and I'm just going to brush this into my inner crease area. This tutorial is taking so long to film, but I have a feeling that this look will turn out absolutely phenomenal. So now what I'm gonna do is, I think I really want to dip in to this color right here. And I'm looking at my eye look, and I want to add this shade kind of in my top lash line like this. And I don't know, let's just see how this turns out. So far, I am really into this look, not gonna lie. It is coming together quite interestingly. Okay, I'm thinking what I want to do is I want to go in with, I'd say maybe this brush right here, and I think I want to dip it into this color and mix it in with this darker color and just apply this just right below my crease and into my crease as well, because I do want to bring this color down into my lid, because I don't want this to be a very sharp line. I actually kind of want it to be sort of diffused in that specific area. Okay, so I really like how that's looking, and I think I'm going to go right back into this other brush, dip it into this color right here, and re-intensify that color along the lash line. I really love how this look is coming together so far, so I'm going to go ahead, do the same thing on this eye, and I'll be right back. We're at that point now where I think it's appropriate to take the tape off, so let's just do that. Okay, I do have to say that this look, like, this is not the most technically correct look. There are some parts of this look that I'm not like altogether like in love with when it comes to like my technical ability and all that, but overall I really do like this look a lot. I think it's like really unique looking and really fun. So I'm kind of trying to contemplate on whether or not I need to do foundation, and I actually think that in this case I'm gonna wear foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my foundation really quickly, and I'll be right back. I think I want to do like a really light coverage layer of the Physicians Formula The Healthy Foundation, the one that I really do like. I usually just use a little bit of it on the back of my hand. I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm just going to dip it into that. Why is there hair on this? That is so disgusting. And I'm just going to apply it to the places that I feel need more attention when it comes to coverage and foundation. I don't want anything to distract from like the vivid intense nature of this look, so that's why I'm just working on perfecting my skin just a little bit, not much. I mean, you can see I'm not wearing a lot at all, but it's just enough, I think. So anyway, now that that's done, I think I'm going to be using this liner from Colourpop. This is in the shade Prance. This is a sky blue eyeliner, and I'm just going to be applying this into the waterline of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with, I'm trying to see, I have like these palettes right here, and I think I really want to use this one. This is like a highlighting shade, and I also want to mix it in with this color right here, like this white color. And I'm going to use these two colors to highlight the high points of my face. I was watching Nikki Raven the other day and she was talking about how she really likes to match her brow bone highlight to her face highlight. And I think I'm going to do a little bit of that today. I'm just going to take like this white color from the Lorac palette and just apply it on top of that highlight that I already did apply. I'm going to balance this out by taking my bronzing slash contouring brush and just taking a little bit of like sculpting powder contouring, you know, potato to potato, and I'm just going to use this to chisel my face. Now I think it's time to go for some lashes. I'm going to first put on a coat of mascara. I need to get another mascara because like this one, it's getting close to 3 months, shall we say that. And then I'm going to be putting on my false lashes, and the false lashes that I'm using today are the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. I don't think I've ever taken this long to film a tutorial in my entire life. Well, no, that's a lie. I don't think I've taken this long to film a tutorial in a very long time. For lipstick, I'm going to be going for the Tarte Amazonian Clay lipstick, and this is in the shade Playful. This is kind of like a slightly glossy finish, really bold, kind of purplish, pinkish lip, and I really do like it. And because I'm super extra and I want even more gloss, I'm going to be adding on the Jordana Cosmic Glow Holographic Lip Gloss in the shade Cosmic Opal. Okay, so I'm kind of picky, so I'm just going to take a little bit of the foundation that I was using, the Physicians Formula 1, and I'm going to use this and a small detail brush to gently outline this work that we did on the inner corner because I feel like it's not looking as sharp as I wanted it to, so I'm just going to sharpen it with the detail brush. Alright, I think I like that a lot better, so I'm going to go do the same thing to the other eye. Might as well add some to the bridge of my nose. I don't know why. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, I swear this tiny little brush always just saves my life. I use this brush for everything and anything. It is fantastic. I think I want to just fix my brows a little bit and make them a little bit more dramatic so they kind of fit with the overall dramatic nature of the look that is happening right now. See, it's hard to know what to do. Do you make this area more dramatic or do you just go with like a natural brow look? I'm gonna make it more dramatic. So my friends, I think that this is pretty much it. This is the end. We have been filming now for 2 hours. That is a very long time to be filming a video, have to admit. Oh my gosh, okay, I was like so scared that my camera stopped recording. Thank goodness it has not stopped recording just yet, but it is about to stop recording soon. But thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this look and found it interesting. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I mean, you guys know how much I love doing like avant-garde makeup looks, and when I saw like the 39S from Morphe, I just wanted to like experiment with purples and I wanted to see where that got me, and I really wanted to do like something like avant-garde and dramatic, and I think that I was able to achieve that with this particular look right here. I really love how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.